Introducing Chevy Cruze LT, 17,636 miles. All original, perfect Carfax. No accidents, no body work, no paint work. We ourselves have probably put 600 or 700 miles on it. Excellent running and driving car. Great power, great fuel economy, all the essential features, power windows and locks and keyless entry and satellite radio and USB and Bluetooth. Non-smoker. Just a very clean vehicle, inside and out. Nice option to a brand new car. Still, again, under factory warranty, both on the bumper-to-bumper and the powertrain warranty through General Motors. Hope you'll come see it here at Jeff Benson Car Company, 34175 Michigan Avenue in Wayne. Thank you for looking in.